Hey guys, JB here. Excited you're with me to this community. As I always say, it's more of a community than a channel, and we are about to have some fun today. We are going to be testing some non-alcoholic spirits, and you may be saying, why the heck would anybody want to drink non-alcoholic spirits? Well, maybe you're in the holidays and you want to take a break from drinking, or maybe you get up in the morning as I'm doing. I'm trying to get down to about a 7-minute, 10-minute mile. I'm trying to hit this 5K in under 22 minutes. So I just can't drink and perform the way that I want to. Now, I love my Gentleman Jack and Gingers. That's my drink. So I have some ginger ale here. I have some glasses. I filled up some cups with ice. I've got a shot glass. We're going to try my traditional ginger ale and Jack, or Gentleman Jack drink with these alternatives. I also have some Scotch glasses that I use when I used to drink my Lagavulin to smell and taste. And we're going to jump right into it because what I got now is 4 whiskey alternatives. It's kind of a new movement, right? Drinking something a little bit different than the alcoholic ones that are out there. And so what I've got here is I've got Monday, which is a 0 alcohol whiskey available on Amazon. I have a Ritual, which is a whiskey alternative, 0 proof, no alcohol in it. I also have Layers American Malt, non-alcoholic spirit. And my final one is Kentucky 74 distilled non-alcoholic spirit for bourbon cocktails. Now, typically these drinks come with cocktails. So the Monday comes with 4 recipes. The Ritual comes with a whole book of recipes. And then we have Spiritless, which comes with a really nice book also with a bunch of recipes. So I think these are really kind of mocktails, are made to be had with some other form of like a ginger ale or something in them. But we're going to taste them straight out just to see how they taste. And we're going to go right through them. So let's start off with this Monday. Let me go ahead and get this open. The presentation of the Monday is pretty cool. It has a cork in it, which adds to it here, which seems pretty cool. Let me get that thing open. And it's sealed, which is nice. So it kind of gives you the feel of alcohol there. So let's go ahead and pop this one open and give it a swig here. As far as the bottle goes, it's pretty cool. So we're just gonna pour in. That's enough. So this is a whiskey you can have at 6 in the morning if you wanted to, and on your way to work. Let me smell it. Very cinnamon, very cinnamon. Let's go ahead and try this one. It's got a little bite, a little cinnamon. It tastes like almost like an herbal tea, to be honest with you. I don't get a real whiskey taste from it. I can see how you could mix it and it would taste a little bit of cinnamon. We'll try it with ginger. It's got a little bit of a whiskey flavor to it, but I'm not going to say it's my favorite. It's got like I don't know, the best way to think about it, it's like an essential oil. It tastes like cinnamon. Like I was sucking on like a cinnamon stick. Real harsh herbal cinnamon overtones on that. Okay, let's get into this next one here. Not too excited by that, to be honest with you. That wasn't like thrilling. Like it smells great, but it tastes kind of like a essential oil, if I had to say what it tastes like. Again, you could probably mix it and get away because it's got a sweet kind of taste to it. Real sweet. But let's go ahead and go. This is the Ritual whiskey alternative. Not something I'm going to sit around and sip. Definitely not my P.D. Lagavulin, let me tell you. Okay, so this is the Ritual. Let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, another cork, decent presentation. Okay. I don't know what that smells like. Smells a little oaky, maybe, a little casky. Let's go ahead. I don't know. That one doesn't do it. I mean, it's got a little bit of a whiskey taste. I can feel it's got a little oaky cask to it. Kind of tastes a little watered down. Kind of a smoky, watered down, little bit of a bite, but not much. I think the Monday had more of a bite than that. This kind of is more like not peaty, like a Lagavulin, like a Scotch, like peaty, but has a little smoke in it. So there's definitely some smoke in there. It gives you kind of a flavor, a smoky kind of flavor. All right, let's keep going here. This is the Liars. That's definitely more smoky. It's got more of an aftertaste. Both of those had an after bite on them. Now this one didn't come with any recipes. I think you can get this on Amazon too. I'll leave a link down below. That one was a little bit more, I don't know, a weird taste. Kind of smoky, not bad. Let's go ahead and go with this one. Okay, this is the Liars or Liars. Let's see. Okay, not much on the nose. I got to tell you, the Monday by far had the best nose. I mean, it had the most cinnamon kind of smell. This kind of is a little bit smoky. It's kind of is a little syrupy. Let's see what this one's like. That didn't do much of anything for me. No, I didn't like that one. There's not a lot going on there. I don't taste a lot. There's not much there. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to 74. I'm not that impressed, guys. I think we mix it with ginger, we may be okay. But I haven't been jumping up and down like, wow, I love this. As far as presentation, this bottle is kind of the coolest. Nice big cork in there. Let's go ahead and pour this in there and see if we can get a winner here. Because right now, the Ritual is kind of smoky and okay. Let's go ahead and try this. I just don't know if I could replace my Gentleman Jack for sure. It just doesn't have that real bite. And of course, there's no alcohol in it, so it makes it tough. Let's see. Okay, this has not a big not a ton of smell. Again, the Monday had the most smell, but it really was cinnamony, like an herbal. Little bit of, maybe, there's some dark accents in here. Let's go ahead and try it. Not bad. This is a little flowery, if that makes sense. It's got a little flowery taste to it. The burn comes a little bit from the Monday. I think that's from the cinnamon. Cinnamon and vanilla in here. And you get a burn. You get a little bit of a burn when you drink. The Ritual has a more smoky appeal. This has a burn as it goes down. I bet that's a cinnamon. This has more of a, it's not the best taste, but it's like a smoky taste. This one, the Liars, I don't taste, that doesn't do much for me at all. There's no real flavor in there. And then this 74, definitely a sweeter taste. A sweeter, flowery taste. Let's go ahead and put some ice in these glasses, mix it up with some ginger, and see if that makes any difference. The only one that I think that might be able to get me through, because it has the bite, is the Monday. The Monday has a little bit of bite, but that's real cinnamonish. Again, if you're a die-hard whiskey drinker, I don't think you're going to be able to, I don't think we're going to get you moved over to these. Let me tell you, my Lagavulin is very peaty, and these, I just don't know. All right, so let's go ahead. I was going to measure these up, but I'm just going to pour a bunch in because it's just, I can tell you, I'm going to need a bunch more than what I thought. Let's just pour it in from the glass. We'll start there. There goes the Monday. We're going to put half, a big chunk in there. They're all going to be about the same. So there's the Monday. See, we're going to pour in this one. Here goes the Ritual. We're going to give this a shot. Let's just make it about the same. Okay, and I'm going to give this a shot, guys, because I'm literally, trying not to drink. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a, drink these anyways and see how I feel with them. But flavor-wise, they're decent, but not, you can tell they're not the real deal. Best bottle, the 74 has the best bottle. This is pretty cool. So they're all about even here. Now I'm going to pour ginger ale in, each of them, and we'll give it a shot and see if any of these taste decent or if they're going back in the kitchen sink. and being poured down. All right, let's see. See, aren't you glad I'm trying these so you don't have to, so we can see, is there any chance? You may be able to pull it off, like I said, if you have like a real one, maybe 1 or 2 real drinks, and then you move to these, there's a good chance maybe that could tide you over. And I mean, it looks like a real cocktail. I mean, that's the thing. I think the 74 is the darkest. Okay, let's go ahead and sip on these and see what we got. So here we go. This is the Monday cocktail, mocktail. This is my normal drink. It'd normally be about that much Gentleman Jack and ginger ale in here. I'm kind of speechless. Let's see this one. Ritual. This has got a weird smoky taste to it. I don't think it matches with what I'm trying to do here. You'd have to do the right kind of connection with that. I could see how that's got a unique taste. You could do something with it, but I don't know what, but there's something you could do there. It leaves a weird aftertaste. This doesn't really do anything at all. To me, the Liars, I mean, you could just mix something else with it. It doesn't have a real flavor to it. I'm not the most astute at this stuff either way, guys. I'm not a big taster. So just so you know, I'm just going by my opinion. I'm looking for that Jack and ginger taste. Let's try the 74. This one I had the most hope for coming in. That's a decent flavor. Like, it's a decent taste. If I had to say the one that's got a flowery taste, like it ends with a flowery aftertaste. The one that reminds me closest to, and it's probably this Monday. The Monday's got a decent flavor. So if I had to rate these, okay, so here's what we got. This is unusual. Like, it's a smoky, weird kind of taste, that aftertaste that leaves in your mouth. This one, I don't even know what the heck's going on with it. The 74 is a little flowery for me, but could get by. And the Monday is probably, out of all of them, gives you that little burn. It makes you at least feel like you're drinking whiskey. And I could probably get by with that. Like, I could probably drink a few drinks and then start drinking this and sneak through. This one I would notice right away because it's kind of smoky and weird. I can't describe the flavor. It's got a really weird kind of taste to it. Weird. And this one, I don't really taste anything going on. And it's a malt. It's not supposed to be liquor. It says it's a malt, American malt. So I guess that could be different. And this one's got a nice, clean taste. It's like a flowery taste. So if I had to take any of them and say, okay, which one would you drink? I'm not really happy with any of them, to be honest with you. They're all decent, but they sure as heck don't take me to where I want to go. I would probably go with the Monday. These two are the ones I would go with. And again, this has got a really unusual taste to it that may work for some people. But I would probably go with the Monday. And again, don't kill me here, crucify me, because these are not anywhere near close to my normal drinks of Gentleman Jack and Ginger and Lagavulin, which is really my peaty scotch that I really like. Why would you want to drink these? Again, if you're like me, trying to cut back on alcohol tremendously, maybe have one drink and then switch to the Monday and drink that the rest of the night. I don't know, for those of you that are really drinkers, that are really, enjoy your whiskey and get into it, if these are going to really change your drinking habits. Definitely give it a shot, but there's nothing here like, wow, that was fantastic. I didn't get that feeling. And again, we got to give these a chance. There's no alcohol. I guess, alcohol is the whole basis of whiskey, and we drink it for that. But I'm going to drink some more and give you updates. But there's nothing here that made me like, wow, this is going to change my drinking habits. I'm going to drink this every day, instead of the drink on a Friday night. But it did at least give me an alternative. I would probably go Monday, 74, the smoky kind of thing, and Liars. That would be where I would go. And again, not that excited with it, but it is what I would use. It's close. It's got a little bit of a burn to it. It's got this cinnamon vanilla, and it actually makes a nice mocktail. I think it tastes pretty good. And that's with ginger ale. So there's other combinations you can. And I think next is 74. I could see drinking that. Kind of a caramel flourish. It's not bad. This thing is a weird, smoky, weird thing. I don't know. It just doesn't match my palate at all. And like I said, the Liars, which would be my last one, I don't know. That just doesn't do much. It just seems like I'm drinking ginger ale. So anyways, I've not been paid. I bought all this stuff myself. I haven't been paid by any of these, not sponsored by any of these. I just thought it would be a cool thing to do coming in the holidays. That can we make some mock cocktails? I think with the 74 you can. I think with the Monday you can. I think the Ritual you can. You're just going to have to get a bottle and try a couple different cocktails with it. Make something smoky. I don't think ginger is the best thing to mix it with. That would be my recommendations. Give it a shot. I'll leave the links down below, and I would love to hear in the comments if you've tried these, what do you think? So definitely weird. Gonna go pour the rest of these out in the sink. I think I'm gonna drink a little bit of this one, but I got a big dinner to go to for golf. And by the way, I am going to be editing this on the M1 Max. First time using that computer, which I'm super pumped about. But I'm not jumping up and down. Unfortunately, I was really excited for this, and nothing really is like I'm gonna buy a bottle of this and get on a subscribe and save. But interesting test for sure. I don't know what else to say here. But as always, thanks so much for watching. I wish I had better information. I wish it was like, this is great, but I don't have that going on today. Just kind of an average thing, and hopefully you can use some of this advice to try. And let me know in the comments below if you've got some mocktails or something you're using that we can share with the community here on the channel. As you know, the community is down below. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm. Then hit the subscribe and that little alert bell. We got all kinds of content coming, and I hope I'm entertaining you here on the channel, which is more of a community. All right, thanks so much for staying to the end. Really appreciate your support. And until the next video, go have a fantastic day. Love you bunches. Thank you very much.